Hello, I'm Julien BO. I'm business developer Europe at YellowScan, and I'm here on our UAV Partners booth. Yes, this year we decided to innovate and have a booth dedicated to our UAV partners. Since years we are working with probably 30 plus different UAVs to offer more choices to our users. And now we have like 9 UAVs on our stand offering different ways to collect data, LiDAR data from YellowScan. So people at Intergeo this year in Stuttgart are really happy to discover all these crazy UAVs. We have here some small drones able to fly in urban areas. We have drone in the box, 5G connected drones, fuel cells powered drones, long range VTOL fixed wing. So they are really happy to discover how to collect LiDAR data and RGB data from YellowScan. Well, now it's clear our UAV partners will come back for next edition in Frankfurt in 2025. They are happy to engage conversations with new clients willing to do mapping with YellowScan.